Hello and welcome along to Adobe After Effects with your host Robert Smith. In this part 2 of mapping a texture onto a cube and animating it, we're going to actually start animating. So what I want to do is I want to hide all these boxes inside at the same place in the world that this box is, and then bring them out slowly. Okay, to do that I'm going to click on this cube here. I'm going to start to bring the numbers into play here. Okay, I'm looking at the numbers here. I've got 0, 0, 0, 200, 295, and okay, that's great. That's exactly what we want. So I'm going to click on this orange one and let's look at the numbers for that. You'll see the Z number is quite large now. So I'm going to select that down here and just type in 0 and click anywhere like that. And I should do that again. Go in orange. Actually, if I type in 0 and press return, that'll do it. You'll see now it's put it in exactly the same coordinates as the box. And I'll do the same for the green one. I'll click on the green one. You'll see it's up on the Y axis now. So I'll select that, type in 0 and press return, and now it's in position. Same with the blue one. You'll notice it's along the X axis. So if I select that and type in 0 and return, and the same with the purple one. I'll grab that and 0 and return, and now in their starting positions. So let's get to animating. The first thing I want to do is I'll start with the orange cube, so I'll click up here to select it. Now I can't see it on the stage because it's behind this white one here, but let's animate it out. To do that I'm going to drag my playback head to the start. I'm going to put in a keyframe, a starting keyframe, go to about frame 10 and put in another keyframe like that. Go to frame 40, and then I'm going to grab it and move it along the X axis to about there, like that. Then I'm going to put in another keyframe by clicking here. Let's rewind and watch that. That's exactly what we want. Okay, comes out nicely. Let's do the same to the next one down, which is the blue one. Click on the blue one, go back to the start, like this. Let's put in a keyframe. Go to frame 10, put in another keyframe, so nothing happens for the first 10 frames. Then go to frame 40, and this time we'll grab the blue one and just drag it out to about here, its finishing position. Just there like that. And then we'll put in another keyframe. So let's watch that. If I rewind, they should both come out nicely. That's exactly what we want. Okay, let's go to the green one. Click on the green one, go back to the start, like this, put in a keyframe, go to frame 10, put in another keyframe, go to frame 40, and let's move that one up to about here, like that. Okay, and one more to go. A keyframe, don't forget to put your keyframe in first. Right, back to the start. Let's click on the purple one, put in a keyframe, move to frame 10 like that, put in another keyframe, go to frame 40. Let's move that down into position to about there. Okay, great. Let's put in another keyframe. Let's watch our work. If I rewind by clicking here, press play, that's exactly what we want. Fantastic. Okay, let's have a look at that. Apple R to preview it. Okay, that's what I want. That's the look I'm after. If I click anywhere now to get out of preview mode, I'm going to save that, Apple S, and Command Tab back to After Effects, like this. Now, let's have a look what we've got. Okay, now I'm going to get out of software render mode. In your render settings over here, put that on standard draft just for this exercise. So if I go back here and I play it like this, it's a little bit slow. As you can see, the colors all come out, revealing the logo, which is exactly what we want. Okay, it's a little bit slow in After Effects. You'll notice that what this will tell you is how good your machine is. You're going to need a fair amount of RAM and a fairly fast machine to be comfortable with this After Effects Cinema 4D thing. Okay, I'm just going to drag my playback head to about here, Actually, what I'll do it the right way. Select the layer, press the letter O, and then the letter N, and then it'll just loop. I can watch it in After Effects like that. Okay, great. That's a really good start for our animation. In the next video, we'll grab a camera and have a bit of a fly past that. Okay, thanks for watching.